Temperature and timing are precisely controlled.
Every samosa begins with the raw ingredients, freshly harvested from the fields.
The quality of potatoes and wheat sets the foundation for every crispy samosa.
Transport begins immediately to maintain freshness and prevent damage.
Careful handling ensures each ingredient is ready for the factory process.
Wheat is funneled carefully into the processing line, maintaining purity.
Mechanical assistance ensures efficiency and safety during transport. Careful stacking maintains ingredient integrity for the journey ahead.
The factory exterior reflects the scale and precision of modern samosa production. Every entry point is carefully managed to maintain order and efficiency.
From farm to factory, every samosa ingredient is ready for precision processing.
The journey continues as raw ingredients enter the heart of the factory. From truck to factory floor, the flow of ingredients is seamless.
Ensures traceability for every batch of samosas.
Documentation at the gates guarantees traceability for each batch of samosas.
Forklifts maintain the flow of ingredients efficiently into the production area.
Coordination outside the building ensures smooth entry and avoids bottlenecks. Every ingredient is verified before entering the controlled factory environment. The exterior hustle mirrors the precision happening inside the factory. The factory entrance sets the stage for the precision processing of samosas. The first step inside the factory is careful cleaning and sorting of raw ingredients.
Washing removes dust and impurities, preparing potatoes for uniform slicing.
Grading ensures only premium wheat enters the production process.
Every potato is visually checked to maintain the highest quality standards.
Sorting by size ensures even cooking in later stages.
Air drying removes excess moisture, preparing potatoes for slicing and filling. Monitoring ingredient conditions is critical for consistent dough preparation.
Sorting by size ensures each samosa will cook evenly and uniformly. Operators fine-tune machines to maintain efficiency and quality. Efficient separation keeps the production line clean and continuous. Precision cutting ensures even cooking and consistent texture.
Controlled steam cooking softens potatoes without losing structure.
Cooking is followed by mixing to prepare the samosa filling base. Seasoning is added with exact measurements for consistent flavor. Uniform mixing transforms ingredients into a balanced filling. Cooling stabilizes the filling before shaping begins.
At the same time, dough preparation begins.
Proper kneading gives samosa shells their strength and bite.
Rolling creates uniform sheets for precise shaping.
Thickness control ensures even frying later.
Exact portioning guarantees uniform samosas.
Core processing completes the preparation for transformation. Prepared dough and filling now meet for shaping.
Mechanical folding replaces hand shaping at scale.
Sealed edges prevent leaks during frying.
Human inspection adds an extra layer of quality control.
Drying prepares the surface for even frying.
Temperature and timing are precisely controlled.
Automation keeps frying conditions stable. Excess oil is removed immediately.
Cooling stabilizes texture and structure.
Visual checks confirm proper frying.
Only compliant products move forward. Transformation is complete. Precision takes over. The process now shifts to full automation. Automation takes control as volume increases. Sensors evaluate each samosa in real time. Robotics maintain alignment at high speed. Gentle handling preserves crisp texture. Uniformity improves packing efficiency.
Human oversight remains essential.
Safety checks are integrated automatically. Production flow is consolidated.
Digital records support traceability. Precise spacing prepares for final finishing.
Speed now meets refinement. Finishing begins with controlled cooling. Residual oil is removed without contact. Temperature is stabilized before handling.
Manual checks confirm crispness.
Orientation improves downstream efficiency.
Products settle before packaging.
Flow is synchronized for packing.
Human supervision maintains balance.
The product is now ready to be packed.
Weight consistency is checked in real time. Foreign material detection protects consumers. Random samples undergo deeper analysis.
Laboratory checks confirm standards.
Filling ratios are visually verified.
Crispness is measured scientifically.
Results are logged instantly.
Approval allows production to continue.
The product is cleared for packaging.
Each pack is formed and sealed automatically.
Sealed packs move forward without pause.
Every packet is traceable. Retail packs are prepared for transport. Bulk handling begins at this stage.
Products are stabilized for storage.
Pallets are transferred to storage.
Finished goods await dispatch.
Distribution begins from here.
And this is how modern factories produce samosas, from start to finish.
Scale, precision, and consistency define the process.
Comment what's next.